This air conditioner is perfect for a camper van or RV. It's lightweight, quiet, and has a low energy draw to make it perfect to keep you cool all night long, and I'll show you how to install it in 4 easy steps. When in eco mode, it only uses 19 amps of energy. It's 12 volts, so no loss of efficiency having your inverter on, no need for a noisy generator at night. It has multiple modes, boost mode, eco mode, has a thermostat of course, and a remote control. The unit also has some cool variable speed compressor tech to keep it efficient and quiet. I'm talking about the Dometic RTX 2000. This is a single piece, non-ducted roof mount unit and also has a small profile for the part you see inside the van. If you like the sounds of it, stay tuned and I'll show you how to install it. Welcome to the channel, everyone. This is video 6 in the build series where we're building out a Mercedes Sprinter 170 extended camper van. Today we show you how to prep for and install a Dometic RTX 2000 rooftop air conditioning unit. Before diving into the install, let's talk about what you'll need. In terms of tools, you'll need a drill, various screwdrivers, sealant, a jigsaw, and of course, safety gear like gloves and glasses. When you open the box, you'll have a few things inside. I ordered the AC unit and accessories from DIYvan.com. So it comes with the AC unit, obviously, and I ordered the install kit and selected the wire length for the van and location of the AC and electrical center. So the AC going near the front, my electrical equipment is near the back, so I ordered something like 15 to 20 feet of cable. The install kit comes with everything you need to install it, so it's pretty nice. I also ordered a frame, a foam seal, and adapter, and I'll talk about those later. But stay tuned to see how the adapter fits in. It's similar to the adapter I used for the fan in a previous video. It's CNC machined and fits perfectly over the roof ribs, allows for a good seal and flat surface for the AC to sit onto. So, step 1, select the location on the van you want to install the AC. This has to be done prior to ordering if you're going to get an adapter. Again, the adapter is specific to the van and to a location on the roof. So I chose to install this on the front between ribs in the second opening. Now another nice thing about the adapter is that it's the perfect template to know how big of a hole to cut and where to cut it. Basically, the adapter only fits correctly in a single spot on the roof, so find that spot by moving the adapter around on the van roof until it settles into place. Once you have it in place, just mark the inside with a pencil. The little bump out here is for the cable that passes through into the van. Once marked, you're almost ready to cut. Go inside and tape a trash bag underneath to catch all the metal shavings that this makes. Now on to step 2, cutting the opening. Now that the location is marked, we can cut the opening. Start by drilling holes in the corners, vacuum the metal shavings. Now just use a jigsaw with a brand new metal blade here for best results. New sharp blades make cutting easier and produce a smoother, better cut. I put a screw in the center so I can hold on to the piece of metal also once it's cut so that it doesn't fall through the trash bag and rip the trash bag down. So now that that's cut, use a deburr tool to smooth any rough edges of the cut. Don't run your fingers over this area to see if there are rough edges, because there will be. Now paint the cut edges for rust prevention. Now on to step 3, which is installing the structure that will be around the air conditioner. First is the adapter. Again, this is the piece that fits directly on top of the van. So put 3 to 4 beads of window weld around the adapter like you can see here. And this stuff is crazy thick and tough to pump out in any kind of volume. So if you have a battery powered caulk gun, now would be the time to use it. Now take it up to the van roof, set it in place, push it down to ensure the sealant adheres to the van. And then snugly clamp it down and set some heavy items on it. Now let it dry overnight. Next comes the foam seal. It's pretty simple. Use 3M90 to attach the seal to the adapter. Spray on both surfaces, let it dry for 1 to 2 minutes until it gets tacky, and then stick them together. Press together firmly. Again, set something heavy on it evenly and let it dry again overnight. Now we'll move inside and assemble the frame. Similar to the fan frame from my earlier video, this serves two purposes. Number one, it gives the AC something solid to bolt into, more than just the van roof. And number two, it gives you something later to attach the finished ceiling to. Now, reassemble this. The manufacturer recommended super glue to keep the pieces together so you could put the screws into it. I was skeptical, but it mostly worked. So something to consider if you don't have a corner clamp. And because this is expanded PVC, you don't have to worry about it splitting, so no pre-drilling holes required. Just put the screws in. Now apply a liberal coat of window weld to the top and the sides where it will be hitting against the van ribs. To install this, I held it in place with clamps and 2x4s while the adhesive dried. And don't forget to drill the screw holes to actually attach the AC to. There are bolts that will go through from the bottom up through the frame, through the van roof, and into the AC shroud. And there's essentially two sets of holes. The inner holes are what's needed to attach the AC through the roof to the framing underneath. This is what secures the air conditioner. The outer holes are for mounting the giant factory plastic trim piece that we actually won't be using. We'll use a custom smaller trim piece. One additional step here back on top of the van is to seal around the adapter. It's very important also, as you can imagine. Put tape a 1/4 inch away from the adapter and put window weld around the outside of the adapter. You can clean up any window weld smudges with rubbing alcohol before it dries. Now let it dry overnight before installing the air conditioner. Now on to installing the AC unit itself. Basically put silicone sealant around on the foam seal and set the AC in place. Put the screws through from the bottom and secure tight, but not too tight. You can strip the threads on the AC unit if not careful. And that's it. The AC is installed. Don't move the van for a day or so to ensure all the sealant sets, but it's ready to be hooked up once the wiring is in place. And as always, let me know if you have any questions, and like and subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching.